So I'll be showing you how to create a shortcut for the home button on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So you have the home button on the side, which when you press it from anywhere on the from any screen, it takes you back to the home screen or the watch face. So you can customize a double tap. So if you double press that, you can see by default it's set to opening activities. Now, if you want to customize that to make it open something else, then you need to go to swipe up to go to the app screen and then go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that, and then under advanced features, you should see double press home button, and it's currently set to my exercises. That's why it opens my exercises when you double press. So if you tap on that, you'll notice you can change that to something else. So let's say for instance you want to open the stopwatch. Okay, so that means now from the watch face, anytime you double press the home button, it's going to open the stopwatch, and you can set it to anything you want. Now you can also do this on the Galaxy Wearable app. So on the Galaxy Wearable app, tap on band settings and then go to advanced features, and then you should see home button, double press. If you tap on that, you can choose which app you want. Maybe it's the calculator, it could be the world clock or the camera. Let's try and set it to weather, for instance. So when set it to weather, anytime you want to check the weather, just double press the home button and it's going to open the weather information. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.